Hey, to connect Arctis Nova 5 wireless headphones to any Android smartphone, first of all, you will have to just grab the headphones, locate the power button, so it's just right here, and you have to click and hold this button to turn them on. And now, all you have to do is just to click on this button, and you will have to get the blue light on the indicator, because the green one means that you actually turns the 2.4 mode. Now, when the indicator turns blue and then starts blinking white, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So all you have to do is just to grab your phone, move into the settings. You have to locate the Bluetooth settings, go to the pair new device, and from available devices list, you will have to select your SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 headphones. So you have to just be patient until they appears on the list. As you can see, in my case, it actually takes few seconds. Now you have to select them and accept pairing. Then, when you are connected, you can go into the Google Play Store and get the SteelSeries application. So go for the search, input this phrase, the SteelSeries, and you have to search exactly for this app name. So click on the install button. Right now you will have to just wait for a few seconds and then just open. Then accept all of these permissions and click to pair new device. Then tap to start pairing, and when you do this, you will be connected because you did it previously by the standard Bluetooth settings. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.